English conversation practice for between two friends. Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
What is a computer?
A computer is an electric machine.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Smith.
How many dollars did you earn per day?
I earn $20 per day.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nandi.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Where do you need to go?
I have to go to David's house.
Why did you want to go there?
David has invited you.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm answering your questions.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photographs.
What do you do in Japan?
I have a business in Japan.
Do you think I am fat?
Yes, you're so fat.
Who is the man in the picture?
He is my son.
Where is your son?
She's watching television.
What is your son's name?
My son's name is Jake.
Do you know us?
Yes, you are James' wife.
Who wakes you up?
My wife wakes me up.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak 2 languages.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Have you ever climbed a mountain?
Yes, I have climbed Mount Everest.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is bunny chow.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park with my family.
Do you have any questions?
No, I don't want to know anything.
What is your marital status?
Yes, I am married.
What you trust me?
Yes, I do trust you.
Who do you live with?
I live with my wife.
What city are you from?
I am from Eastern Cape.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet tall.
Do you like to write in a journal?
Yes, I write in a journal every day.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite type of flower is a rose.
Do you like parties?
Not so much.
What are your hobbies?
I like shopping and reading books.
Do you often eat bobo tie?
No, sometimes.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Will you turn on the TV?
Sure, what channel?
Can you act?
Yes, I can be acting.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Do you like to go camping?
Yeah, I enjoy camping.